Hello one and all, and welcome to another one of my Minderp.com videos for Realms. In this video I'm going to show you how to do custom forts as well as custom plots. I'm going to go through them really quickly because of the first couple are ones that people aren't going to really use. So these are /fort custom, and then chunk. Now, just doing this, it selects the chunk you're standing on. I'll be able to show you that by doing /fort show. And see, this is the fort I'm standing on currently. This is a good way of giving yourself a big enough fort for a couple of people without costing too much, because it doesn't go over the other chunks, so you don't get taxed per these other chunks as well, only for the one that you are on and own. Now you can also do /fort cube. It's going fort custom cube, sorry, and this will select a cube around you, a 16 by 16 area. Fort show. It doesn't well, because the chunks are 16, so it usually goes on to them anyway, so you don't really use this one at all. Another one is /fort custom, and then you put in a number. Now this number will extend out the fort as far as you've gone, like so. As you can see, I've typed 8, so this will make it go 8 every direction. /fort show, and that didn't work properly. Anyway, I'm sure SPathWalker will fix that up, although that people don't usually use these ones, so it's not really necessary. It just selected a chunk instead. Anyway, the one that most people use is /fort custom. Silly spelling. /fort custom and nothing else after it. Now with this, you have to use a stick, and to do that, it's just like, for those who know about World Edit and you use it, it's the same sort of principle. You just click your corner, you go to your other corner where you want it. So I just want to put it on this other side of the building that I've made, so I'll just say there, and that's now shows me that area. Now because I want this to go to sky limit, I'll have to do /fort adjust vert. Now this will select everything from all the way up to the sun, all the way down to the bedrock. Now I'll just finalize this by doing /fort new fort, and there we go, I've got myself a fort. And I'll show you the dimensions again by doing /fort show. So this shows you everything within my fort. Now because I don't want to keep seeing these red lines, which are actually red wool, just with my texture pack it looks different, you do /fort hide, and there we go. So I now have a fort. Now because I want to put two different plots in these buildings, this building, I want to put one plot up there for someone to live there and another one down here, but I don't want them to interact with each other or be able to destroy these walls or anything like that. I want the building to stay as it is and guild owned. Now to do that, I'd go in here, go to one of the corners, place a block, go to the other corner on the other side, place a block there. Now you'll want to do /plot custom. So you'll just do the same thing, click on that block and then click on the other block and there we go. It's a 90 block area. So plot new, I'll say B1. Alright, so now if I destroy this and this, I'll walk out here and it'll be guild owned land. This, as you can see, I'm in the doorway and it's guild owned, so that means they can't destroy these walls. In here is someone's house. Alright, so to make sure that they can get in and out but have a door there for privacy when they want it, I'll put this, you put a door there and give them a lever on the inside of their place. Now they'll be able to open and close that door. Alright. Now, as you can see, I've already made this room up here, put the door and everything, but I haven't done this. So it's the same thing. Oops. Slash plots. Custom. Click on there and there. Plot new B2. And there we go. There's two different apartment buildings, rooms for them. So then you can keep doing these up and up and up as high as you want, just putting them on top of each other and on top of each other. Now I'm going to show you how to readjust a plot that you're making at the time. It's the same thing for forts. So you just want to do plot custom. Oops. What am I typing wrong? There we go. So let's say I wanted, originally I put it in this. Let's go plot show. Now as you can see, I can see that it's only this area. Now if I wanted to have this stone as well, I would have to extend the size. So to do that, I'd go plot, adjust, and you can do north, south, east, west, top, bottom, walls, vert to change the size of the area. Now I'm going to do walls, so it does all four sides for me. So I go type in walls, and then I'm going to type in 1. So that's now the area of the plot. So I can do plot adjust vert without anything after it, and they'll make it go all the way up. Alright, that's all the commands currently I can think of for customizing forts and plots, as well as adjusting them. I don't think currently adjusting the actual plots that have already been made works 100%. If it does, this test server that I'm using just has an outdated version of Realms. Otherwise, you'll be able to adjust plots that already exist, but it's better to always make a plot to the actual size you want it, and check that it's the size you want it by doing the /plot show and the /plot hide when you want to see when you're making it, so you can see where you're at and where when you don't need to see it anymore. So thank you for watching this video, and hope it helps some people customize their forts and plots.